Can y'all see how good that looks? Whoa. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIERASHON. Today's video is brought to you by me. Yeah, I bought this, and it's not a sew-in. That's right, it's a wig, a U-part wig with crochet. Crochet wig install on my thin, balding scalp. Okay, we're gonna do it. But before I do that, let me get a drink. Okay, because it's also something slay. And your girl got her water today, because it's hot outside and I gotta hydrate. But as always, drink it up for me. But anyway, before I show you guys how I installed this wig from beginning to end, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so y'all see what we're working with, okay? My hair is packed down because I had my scarf on, but we got some length so I can cornrow it, but I need to prep it first. So I'm gonna use the AsIAM Restore and Repair Jamaican Black Castor Oil Water. Spray that all over my hair. Ooh, my glasses are dirty. I need to wipe that mosquito dust off. So I'm only gonna cornrow the part that's gonna be my leave out section, or leave out, but the rest, Now y'all see I'm working with a little bit of hair in there, but as you can see, you know, it's doing something. When I keep my hair short like this, the middle decides it wants to grow. So I'm not mad at that. I did 4 cornrows across the front, and then I connected them all across the back and then tucked it in under the wig cap. Hopefully this parting space will work. So for the wig, I am using the Outre Big Beautiful Hair Dominican Blowout in 22 inches. I bought this wig when it first dropped. So this was almost 2 years ago, I think. And I wanted to try it after I always pronounce her name incorrectly and I don't like that.
Hey guys, it's SEUN Okimi and welcome back to my channel.
SEUN, I'm so sorry if I mispronounced her name. I love watching her videos because she always has like great techniques. Like she always comes up with great techniques. Now I don't know if she came up with this technique or she saw it from somebody else, but I saw it first on her channel, and I'm always seeing new things on her channel. So I'm gonna give credit where credit is due, and that's where I got this technique from. When I purchased this wig, it only came in the jet black color, which was unfortunate for me because I don't normally wear jet black. I normally go for the 1B off black or a number 2. But I really want to try this technique, so we're gonna try it. It does come in some special colors, so if you wanna check those out, you can. Comes in the U part, just cut these strings off. There's 2 clips on the side of the U part, 2 combs on the side of the wig, and then you have the comb in the back with the adjustable straps. This is really dark, but we're gonna try it for this one because I wanna use this wig. Now y'all see how big this parting space is? That's not gonna work for me. Okay, that's too big and I don't have enough hair to cover that. Let's see, if I put one here, like this, up against this track, bring it around. I'm gonna crisscross it over. So I'm literally folding it. Y'all see? Push your hand down and fold it over to shorten that up. And then I'm gonna clip this. I don't like using these combs, but I'm gonna use them today. I'm gonna get my bobby pin. I could also sew it down, but I'm not gonna do that today. And then I'm gonna take, where's my other one? Right here. So that's how it's looking so far. Now it's time for the fun part. For the illusion leave out, I'm gonna use the Outre Twisted Up Springy Twist Afro Twist in 24 inches. This is what I had in my stash of, you know, crochet hair. She did use another kind, but I didn't have that and I wasn't gonna buy it if I already had something similar. So I'm hoping this hair doesn't melt. This is the color 1B, so I'm hoping that it'll match pretty decent. I'm gonna take about that much. For this illusion part, she said you're just gonna crochet it as normal first. So put it through the loop. Oop, and grab all of it. Here you go. Latch it. Then when you get to this part, only pull half of the hair through the loop. So I'm gonna hook that one like that and pull that through. Like so. So you kind of have, there's a part over top and on the bottom. Get this one, hook it, bring it through. 2 legs here. Can y'all see that? Grab one, bring the one through. Next up, she said use your flat iron on about 250, I think, 210. My flat iron, I mean, I have a couple, but this one only goes down to 285, so I gotta move quick so I don't melt this hair. I'm doing a little test strand right here, and it worked out. I'm gonna have to trim the ends to kind of blend it, but take my time. I don't melt all my hard work. Do it just like that. Get those crimps out. And I'm just gonna trim the ends off. Just so you know, she tried this method with a human hair wig. Her U part was a human hair wig, and the crochet she used was synthetic, and it's still blended. She did it on a kinky straight or a yaki straight unit, and she also used this method on a body wave. And y'all know that hair is silky, so just saying. As you flatten this out, some of the hair will tangle because of how the curl is. Just work it through, and I'm gonna cut the ends of mine off anyway, so I'm not too worried about it. Work that out. The hair is curling, surprisingly. Okay, let's see how this is gonna blend. I don't have any more dry shampoo. Dang it. All right, so I'm just gonna take a little bit of gel and brushing my hairs down and then brushing some of the wig down. Can y'all see how good that looks? Whoa! I'm gonna use some of the gel on my fingers like this and just work it through the ends of that hair. Now next time what I'll do is I'll bring my clip around to the front to give me a little bit more bang action. I won't have to blend so much on the ends. I can just kind of brush it into the curl. Right now I gotta kind of work with the ends that I got. Let me hold it so I don't brush all my work out. I don't know where my topic is. Well, I guess I won't be using that today. So let me just brush down this hair right here. All right, well let me just go ahead and do my makeup then. Okay, y'all, so here is the final look. Okay. The only thing I don't like about this install is my part. I wish I would have put it a little bit further over here, but outside of that, I'm not mad at this. I can just imagine if I take a human hair version and I take my old curly wigs that I'm not using no more and use that for the part. Listen. Thin hair where? Bald scalp who?
Not me.
The jet black is throwing me off a little bit just because I'm used to a natural black or a brown, but the hair matches perfectly. And that gel definitely helped lay that hair down into that wig, so I'm here for it. And just think, with the humidity outside, the hair won't revert back. It's burnt, okay? It ain't going nowhere. Ooh, my forehead is woo. But let me know what you think about this method down below. Is it easy enough for you to try it? Y'all let me know, okay? Again, your parting space will depend on how full you want it to look. Take your time to get it right. If you don't get it the first time, try it again.
We talking about practice.
Yeah, get on the tube, okay? We teaching. But that's what I got for you guys today. I will put the direct link for all my products down below, so if you guys want to check them out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.